Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over tax exempt or how to remove tax, whatever you want to call that. So what you're going to have to do is once you have the ticket created and you're ready to check out, you're ready to finalize the ticket, it's here in the checkout screen. So go to checkout and then it's under adjust. We go to adjust, you'll see a button for no tax. Select that. It asks for a reason or a description. Now, you can put whatever you want, whatever your establishment requires. I always recommend doing the tax ID number. I'm just putting something random in here. Please don't assume this is a real tax ID. And then you hit the remove tax button. And then it will show up down here in your subtotal that there's no tax. So then you're ready to proceed with the payment. That's all I got for this video. Thanks for watching.
Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.